So good day everyone. So for this video I will explain what linked list is, how a stack works, and then how to implement a stack using a linked list. So I will also explain code every line. I mean line by line of the code. So um first, let's talk about linked list. So linked list, what is linked list by the way? So a linked list is a type of data structure. Instead of storing items inside a box like an array, a linked list stores items inside the nodes. So each node has two parts. So data, so this is the value, and then which is data is like the current, and then the next is the point. This points to the next node. So think of like a chain, or a chain. So each chain link is connected to the next link. Yeah. So linked list is a flexible because you can easily add or remove nodes without moving all the other items. That's why it's good for stack implementation. So what is stack? So a stack follows the LIFO rule. So last in, first out. So think of like a plates being stuck on the top of each other. So the last plate you put on top is the first plate you get. So now, why use linked list to make stack? So using a linked list for a stack is better because it does not have a fixed size. You can add as many items as you need, and it is fast to insert and remove items. So now, let's go to the code sample. So here's the thing. So in the class node part, so the first part is this is class used to make a node for the linked list, and then the ain't data is this stores the number we want to put in the stack. So and then the next node, this points to the next node below it. So and then the class stacks, this class creates the actual stack, and then the node top, so this points to the top elements of the stack. So now let's go to the push part. So public void push, this method adds a number to the stack. So the new node, the equals new node, is this line creates a new node, and then the new node that data the value, put the value inside the node. So new node that next top connect to the new node to the old top, and then top equals new node, make the new node to the new top, and then system that out that print, so show what value as was added. And then in the pop part, public void pop, this method removes the top element. So and then if top equals to null, and then this stacks is empty. So else print the pop, and else print the value of the top and the value of the top, and move top to the next node. And then in the display part, the public static void, the public void, the public void display, this prints all the values and the stack. So if stack is empty, stack is print stack is empty, else loop through all nodes and print the values. So now let's go to the main method part. So public class main. So now let's look at the main method. So stack s new stack. So this create new stacks. So the push 10, 20, 30, and then the s display the s push 10 adds the 10, and then the s push 20 adds 20, and the s push 30 adds 30. And so in the display part, it prints the 30, 10, and 20. So in the s pop removes 30. That's why ang result, the result is 20 and 10. Excuse me. That's why it only prints 10 and 20 and 10. So now, how the code works. So let's go back. So in this part, in the class node part, so it's in a class node ain't data node next. So this part, the nodes create stack using a linked list. A linked list is made up of nodes, and each node has a value and a pointer to the next node. And then the class stack node top. So this part is the stack class has a variable called top, which always points to the top elements of the stack. So when I call the push, so just like the public void push and value, the program creates a new node, stores the value inside it, and connects it to the current top, and then it makes it the new top. And then this part, the public void pop. So when I call pop, the program prints the value of the top node and then moves the top to the next node. And in the display part, the public void display method prints and the display method prints all the elements from top to bottom. So from top to bottom, so just like here kani. So I mean here. So in the main method, we push 10, 20 and 30. So the stack becomes 30, 10, 30, 20 and 10. So after popping 30, so as you can see, pop is kind of like is to remove and so it's like to remove the items, and then that's why we got 20 and 10 because we removed the 30. So I guess that explains everything, and thank you for watching and good day.